Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with part 3 of a 3-part video series on Fannie Mae's Day 1 Certainty Important FAQs. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of Fannie Mae guidelines. Also, this video was issued on November 20th, 2018, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. So let's continue on with the FAQs. So another important one is, are lenders able to resubmit a loan to the DU validation service if they didn't receive a validation on the first try or subsequent tries? So Fannie Mae says that lenders may correct errors, omissions, or update any dates and resubmit to DU. So if there's an issue where something was missing from the 1003 or missing from the application, or a number was input incorrectly, or a date, that can certainly be corrected and you can resubmit the loan. Some resubmission examples would be maybe you get a DU message indicating that a lower amount of income was validated by DU based on the vendor report. You could certainly go in and make that change in your loan origination system and then resubmit it. Or maybe there was a matching error with the vendor report based on a number or reference number or social security number. Certainly go in and make those changes. Now let's talk about other income. So when the borrower is wanting to use other income listed on the 1003, so this would be income that's not base salary, not commission, not their regular income, DU does not work for that part. So you cannot use the DU validation service to validate any income used in the other income category on the 1003, so you would need to document that as you normally would. So let's talk about assets and large deposits. Definitely good news here that the DU validation service will do an assessment if automated, and it's automated through the DU validation service, and it will issue a message if the source of the large deposit must be documented. So if they're validating the asset statement through a particular vendor and there's large deposits on there, DU should read that and let you know if you need to document anything further. All right, now let's talk about asset validation. So what type of assets will Day 1 Certainty validate? Well, let's take a look at the list. So you can see here, this document is directly from the Fannie Mae website, and it does tell you the type of assets that can be validated. So checking, savings, CD, money market, stock, mutual funds, and retirement funds, as long as those are participating with the vendors. So definitely good news there. And one other thing I want to mention about the asset validation is that gift funds and employment-related assets cannot be validated through DU, so you would need to get documentation for that as you normally would. All right, that concludes this 3-part video series. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org to look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, loan officers, processors, closers, and post-closers. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.